Now to business world, electric motorcycle riders are calling for subsidies to boost uptake of the units. Voltnova Sales representative Kennedy Juma says many riders face expensive pay as they drive financing options to own electric two-wheelers whose upfront cost is higher than when compared to fossil-powered options.
We'd like the government to actually assist in more financing to make sure that the end users, most of the end users get these products at a more affordable cost than our actual cost.
Tunaomba serikali hivi kwamba iendelee kuunga mkono sekta ya EV kwa njia mwafaka ambapo inaweza saidia wanabodaboda katika hali ya kufanyia funding ama subsidies.
Hizi swap station at least wape watu wetu wa bodaboda wale chairmans and circles zenye ziko strong nazo zipate income kutoka pale.